Do you ever wake up to find your phone almost drained because you forgot to charge it overnight? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra has a smart routine to prevent this from happening. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Battery section, select Save Battery at Night. Now let's check the routine. In the If section, you will see two conditions: sleeping, which is set to auto detect using your phone, watch, pen, or ring; charging status, which is set to not charging by default. In the Then section, power saving is turned on automatically. This will apply all the options you have enabled in your power saving setting, such as limiting background activity or reducing brightness. In the When routine ends section, power saving will go back to its previous status. At the bottom, you will see three icons. Edit if you want to adjust the routine, share, and save, which add this routine to your list so it runs automatically. And that's it. With this routine, your phone will save battery at night whenever you are sleeping and not charging, so you won't wake up to a dead phone. It's perfect for a peace of mind. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.